What is up, people? This is your boy Azam with Investify Crypto Analysis, and today we're going to discuss what is happening in the crypto market, what cryptocurrencies that you should be looking at purchasing, and what to look for in the future. Okay? So, first and foremost, we are here in the Binance platform that I'm using, and we're going to go over some of the major cryptocurrencies. And as always, we do the honors with the one and only, our beloved Bitcoin. So as you can see right now, Bitcoin has been dropping quite a bit, and I believe that in a way that Bitcoin is close to its $6,000 support level. So if this maintains it, it could be a good buying opportunity. But if it continues to drop, it can go down all the way near the 5,800 levels or perhaps the 5,300 levels. So that's the other buying opportunity. So I believe that at both these levels, it's at a good support level here and could look at a potential investment if you're looking into it. Once again, the thing is, guys, that yes, the market's been down, the market's been shitty, but the fact is that you have to look at the long-term picture here. If you're trying to invest for just the next few months, then this is not the right market for you. Maybe perhaps look into something else. I don't know, poker. But yeah, so that's the thing, right? Look for support levels, and I think 5,300 could be the stop loss in this case if you decide to purchase it. All right, let's look at Litecoin, what Litecoin is doing. And we can see that it's dropping, and I think it's probably not going to this 106.50, which is its low. It may not be able to cover that, and it might continue dropping even more. Okay, now let's look at Ethereum. We all love Ethereum. And Ethereum's, see, the 270s for me is the support level for Ethereum, but even right now, we can see that in the 400s, the 390s, that's also a really solid support level. So I am really seeing these prices drop a lot, and I'm seeing them at support levels, and I think it'll be another few days for me to decide before I purchase Ethereum. Okay, Neo to me this is one of the companies that when it first came out, right, if you would have purchased its initial shares, it went up 1,000 times. 1,000x returns. So that's how amazing it would have been for you. Now, Neo has its bottoming level at around $29, and this is on Binance. They don't have all the data, right? They only have it from the day that these cryptocurrencies came on their platform. And I think right now it is in a support level. I do believe that this is a good price to purchase Neo. So yeah, that's what it is. Now, what I want to do is take a moment and focus on one cryptocurrency that I believe has huge potential in the future. And it's called gas, right? This is one of our favorite things to deal with. Now, what people need to understand about gas is that this is basically like Ether for Neo. Neo is essentially a platform similar to Ethereum, and where Ethereum uses Ether to burn its coins. Gas is similar to that as well for Neo. Now what this does is, the interesting thing about gas is though, that unlike Ether, where if there's a supply, it gets burned, that are not used, that doesn't happen with gas. And what I mean is that there's only ever going to be 10 million of these coins created. So to think about it, right, that there's always going to be a limited supply, unlike Ether, that it gets burned, and that means that you can recreate more and more and more of those Ethers. Gas is limited supply. And one thing that I've seen time and time again, whether it's the stock market or the crypto market, some of the best cryptocurrencies, the most moving ones, are ones that have a limited supply. Look at Bitcoin. There's only ever going to be 21 million of those. And it's gone from being a sub-penny coin to thousands of dollars, right? So I believe that gas is a huge opportunity for anyone that is looking to invest. And if we even look at its current levels, right, it is in this support zone, right? It is in this level, and it might drop a little more, but I think that this is a good time to be looking at it, because I believe that if it's at $15 right now, it can rise by over 200 to 300% in its value over time. Plus the fact that there's only a limited supply, and the more usage starts to happen on NEO's platform, it's only going to lead to more demand for gas. So the price, once it starts to rise, it will rise exponentially and it will surge. So something to look at, right? I believe that this is a great crypto to look at and to think about. So this was my crypto analysis for the day, and in that I wanted to analyze on just one cryptocurrency, which is gas. I hope you guys enjoyed this. You have any questions, comments, please feel free to reach out to me. I would love to help you in any way. Take care, guys. Have a great day.